हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम इन द चॅनल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. या चॅनलवरती तुम्हाला 5वी ते 12वी पर्यंतचे सगळे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स मिळतील अँड लेसन्स आर ऑल्सो देअर. लेसन्स पण आहे. तर तुम्ही आत्तापर्यंत या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नसेल केलं तर सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला सगळे व्हिडिओज यावर मिळतील. तर आज आपण बघणार आहोत स्टँडर्ड 5th महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड फर्स्ट चॅप्टर. आपल्या चॅप्टरचं नाव आहे आवर अर्थ अँड आवर सोलार सिस्टम. तर याचे सगळे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आपण आज इथे बघणार आहोत. दॅट इज गिवन बिलो द टेक्स्टबुक. टेक्स्टबुकच्या खाली जेवढे काही प्रश्न उत्तरं दिलेले आहेत ते सगळे बघणार आहोत. तर चला आपण सुरुवात करूया. आपला फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन घेऊया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हॉट इज द सोल्युशन. One of the asteroid has fallen out of its place in the asteroid belt and is hurling towards the sun. Our earth is in its way and there is all likelihood of a collision. What can be done to prevent this collision? Answer बघूया त्याचा. Answer इथे आहे. Use the shock wave to deflect it away from the earth, which means attach 3 large remote controlled rockets to the asteroid, turning it into a large space vehicle and move it away from a dangerous collision. Next बघा, use your brain power. So here we have to use our brain power. Question is, what will happen to our solar system if the sun were to be suddenly disappear? सूर्य जर disappear झाला तर काय होईल? तर मग त्याचा आन्सर आहे, if the sun were to be suddenly disappear, all the life form on the earth will cease because the sun is the source of light and heat. There will be complete darkness on all planets. The planet will move from their orbit and may clash against each other. Next बघा, look at the picture of the solar system and answer the following questions. First one, which planet is nearest to the sun? Answer is Mercury. At what position is the earth from the sun? Answer is third. Seabed, which planet is placed between the earth and Mercury? Answer is Venus. Venus उत्तर आहे त्याचं. Next one, name the planet beyond the orbit of the Mars in a serial order. Answer is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. पुढचा आहे E. Which planet in the solar system is furthest from the sun? Answer is Neptune. Next, पुढचा क्वेश्चन, who am I? मी कोण आहे ते सांगायचं आहे तुम्हाला. इथे फर्स्ट आहे, you can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. Answer is moon. But I have my own light. It is only from me that the planet get light and heat. Answer is sun. Third one, I turn around myself around the planet and also around the star. Answer is satellite. I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. Answer is planet. No other planet has the living world like mine. Answer is earth. I am nearest star to the earth. Answer is the sun. Last question, answer the following question. दोन बिट आहे याच्यामध्ये. First one is, for what purpose are the rocket used in the space travel? And answer is, very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of the fuel is burnt in the rocket so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons may be launched into the space. And last question now, शेवटचा प्रश्न, what information do man-made satellite provide? Answer is, man-made satellite provide useful information on agriculture, environment, weather, forecasting, making maps, and searching for water and minerals wealth on the earth. It is also used for telecommunication. So here we have completed our question answers of the exercise. परत भेटूया पुढच्या लेसन मध्ये with question answers with lesson. तोपर्यंत goodbye.